Good morning, guys. Getting ready to go and do a little bit of land clearing today. Getting everything ready. Roll my windows down, check out everything. Got the tractor already loaded. I've got to grab my bucket yet, or my root grapple. I got to grab that, and then we'll get the old RK37 going. All right, loading the granite grapple into the back of the dump truck, where it's so it can do its job today. And all we should have to do when we get to the job site is unload it. Not too bad. Hey guys, we're here at a job. We've got to take out this tree or this bush right here, and we've got to go in the backyard here. He's wanting to move his dog lot you see there. It's going to be moved back here in this wooded area right back there, and so I need to take, he wants these stumps taken up right there, there, and there, and these bushes taken out, and clean out this area with the smaller trees all through here, and clean this up so he can move his dog lot. So let's get to work.
now that I have the granite grapple hooked to the tractor, I take and secure it to the tractor. Then I take the hydraulic hoses, which I have hooked together. The reason I do that is to keep from dirt or debris getting inside the couplings. And then I just clip on the hoses to the tractor, which goes on fairly easily. And I will take, once I get both hoses hooked up, I will take the hose that's left right here, and I take and I just route it around where it doesn't get hooked by limbs or get in the way whenever I'm grading or back dragging or whatever with the grapple. Now we'll go to work with the grapple.
I removed both of those bushes, backfilled them, got them full of dirt. Also removed all these stumps that was along here, cleaned out the wooded area, and made that pile of brush back there from the woods. The RK37 did an awesome job doing this. Naturally it takes longer than it would for a skid steer or a little trackhoe to do this, but still, yeah, it worked out real well. I'm very pleased with the way the machine did, and looking forward to the next job. Okay, there's the setup today. I got the grapple bucket on it and the backhoe, and it did a very good job. I'm very pleased with it. If you guys would, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.